zo ba mirror. Ni kam ke pala. Ini ka Ruby roga to dasha video atakulo ke man. Video shigale Ruby Bayana Krama Muizo Shitty go to Rakasiga Thumpinizo video shiba. Hi guys, it's me Ruby, a reading buddy. Today, guess what today's video is? Dun dun dun! We're gonna do another Dasha video. And again guys, Dasha means what is this in Arakan language. Okay guys, so if you haven't seen my previous Dasha video, I'll put the link down below because this one's the part 2 of it. So if you haven't watched it yet and you only watch this video first, you have to watch that video first or else you're getting cooked. So let's start doing Dasha. Okay, now Dasha naro. Dasha miata mui. Dasha to. Dasha sha. Let's do the body parts now. And the head part is done right now. Dasha back home. Dasha rompet. Dasha ka. Dasha la. Dasha lama. Dasha lawa. Dasha dendao. Dasha creed out. Dasha bound. Dasha do. Dasha creed out. Just kidding guys. Because when I was little, I called this lamao, but then I was so confused in my mind. That's why I called it creamao, and my mom was so laughing at it because because it was so funny. Okay, let's continue. And the real one that this is called is creepalo. So don't think of that in your mind. It's just a joke. You can joke people with that. Okay, it's just a funny joke. Okay, so let's continue because that was so long. Okay, Lasha creepawa out of kushiti. Okay guys, it's testing time. So let's see how much you remember from this video. So if you don't remember anything or some parts, go rewatch my video. But not the whole thing, only the parts you don't remember, or you have to watch the whole video again. So you have to think it in your mind. Okay, so, and I'll give you some points. So 1 point for each correct answer. So let's see how many points you get. Are you ready? So let's start. Dasha. 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 Okay, so guys, how many points did you get, guys? So, everybody, you have to comment down below how many you got right and how many you got wrong. Okay? So that's it for today. I'll see you next time. Bye! And I love Babia. Terrible, check it like a shallow be a bye.